Welcome to Competence FBOSB 301. Prepare simple bakery products. In this session, we'll explore Learning Outcome 2, Handle Tools and Equipment for Bakery Products. Let's delve into the key topics we'll cover. Let's outline the topics. 1. Applying basic maintenance for bakery tools and equipment. 2. Usage of bakery tools and equipment. Now, let's explore each topic in detail. Applying basic maintenance for bakery tools and equipment. Proper maintenance of bakery tools and equipment is essential for longevity and efficiency. This includes regular cleaning, disassembly, and assembly to ensure all parts are in working order. Prompt fixing of minor issues prevents larger problems. Adequate storage protects equipment from damage. Correctly plugging and unplugging equipment minimizes electrical risks. Monitoring time and temperature control ensures consistent baking results and food safety. Regular maintenance optimizes performance and reduces downtime. It also helps uphold hygiene and safety standards. Usage of bakery tools and equipment. Bakery tools and equipment are essential for precise baking tasks. Measuring tools like cups and spoons ensure accurate ingredient proportions in recipes like cookies or bread. Mixing tools such as dough mixers blend ingredients thoroughly for uniform batters in cakes or muffins. Portioning tools like pastry cutter and bread slider maintain consistent product sizes, which is crucial for items like pastries or bread rolls. Shaping tools like rolling pins and bread forms assist in creating desired shapes. Cooling racks allow baked goods to cool evenly, preserving their texture, while storage equipment such as shelves and refrigerators ensure organized ingredient and product storage for efficient bakery operations. In summary, we've covered applying basic maintenance for bakery tools and equipment and the usage of bakery tools and equipment. Now, let's assess your understanding. Name 3 basic maintenance procedures for bakery tools and equipment. List 3 types of bakery tools and equipment used for measuring ingredients. Describe the importance of proper maintenance in bakery operations. Reflect on these questions to reinforce your learning. Thank you for joining us in this session. Happy baking!